good morning. This is day 5 of our LA trip. And it's currently 9 a.m. and hindi pa ako makalabas because it's currently raining. Pero based sa weather app, titigil naman siya around mga 12 noon pa daw. Pero I'm still going to go out and maybe tatambay like to the uh, cafe, ganyan. Pupunta ulit ako dun sa cafe shop na kinainan ko kahapon din. Yung sa may sandwich. Or yung sa may bagel. So, dun muna ako pupunta and then I plan to go to Venice Beach. Pero medyo malayo din pala siya. Actually, mas malapit na sana siya sa Santa Monica Pier kahapon. Pero yan nga, since napagod ako kahapon, I really had to go home. So, babalik na naman ako dun sa part na yun. If ever, si Pagin pumunta ng Venice Beach. I'm still contemplating and thinking where to go else. Pero for now, yun muna yung plan ko. So, I hope you keep on watching and I'll see you later. It's still raining, guys. So cold. Medyo tumila na, guys, but tinatamad na tuloy ako pumunta ng Venice Beach. So, punta muna ako sa coffee shop kasi nagugutom ako and then I'll decide later. But this is the situation.
Approaching Wilshire and Lucerne.
Final road.
I was just gonna ask, we're gonna go up this thing.
I don't know, guys, where I'm going. Medyo fail tong araw na to. But let's see. This is the Venice Beach na.
Sabe como é que vai ser quando voltar?
Hi guys! I'm back at the hotel now and grabe, sobrang stressful. Di ba kanina from Venice Beach? Kasi medyo nag-start na umambon or umulan actually. So, umuwi ako na maaga, like before 4 p.m. And ngayon kakarating ko lang, magsa 7 p.m. na. Grabe. Bale kung saan-saan na ako napunta, nagkandawala-wala na ako kasi going to the Venice Beach, wala kasing train station na malapit doon or metro rail na malapit doon. So, ang option ko lang is bus din. So, doon nag-start yung aking kalbaryo. But I'm thankful I'm back home now and hindi ko naman kinailangang mag-Uber. Although, muntik na akong mag-Uber kanina kung hindi lang siya around 80 USD. So, sobrang layo ng napuntahan ko. But I'm back home and I'm so hungry kasi ang last kong kain is yung kanina pang umaga doon sa Witches. And dumaan lang ako ng Ralph's to buy water. Tapos, bumili ulit ako nung sushi na binili ko rin nung nakaraan. And then, pinainit ko lang yung tira ko pang pasta from the Koreatown Pizza Restaurant. So, I'm just gonna eat here guys and enjoy my meal because I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. And I'll talk to you guys later. So, this is my dinner guys. So, ayan yung sushi. And bumili rin pala ako ng chicken sa Ralph's kasi nakita ko na $5 siya. So, imagine, $5 pero ganito karami. Initially, ang gusto kong gawin sana is bumili ulit ng chicken dyan sa may Koreatown. Pero since nakita ko nga to, tapos 5 point something dollars lang. Sabi ko ito na lang kasi yung chicken dyan sa Koreatown is parang mga nasa $16. So, ito na lang, fried chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. So, I'm ready na guys. Hi guys, so here I am. I am ready to rest again. Grabe yung araw na to, no? It started not so good because of the rain and then it just got worse and worse all throughout the day. But it's okay. I mean, that's really part of traveling, I guess. Especially if it's your first time traveling on a big city pa. So, hindi talaga maiwasan yung mga not so good things during the travel. And sometimes yun din naman talaga yung what makes it memorable. But yeah, it was such a tiring and stressful day. So I'm just really ready to rest, especially tomorrow. Paguran na naman. It's going to be my last full day here in LA, and I'll be spending it in Universal Studios. So that's it for our vlog today, and I hope na you continue to watch the rest of my US trip. So I'll see you guys on day 6 na ba? Day 6. Bye guys!